Actor Aftab Shabdasani on Friday revealed he has tested COVID-19 positive. Hello everyone, hope you all are fit and fine and are taking care of yourselves. Recently I started showing minor symptoms of a dry cough and mild fever and I got myself tested for COVID-19. Unfortunately, the results came out positive and under the medical supervision of doctors and authorities, I have been advised to home quarantine. The actor tweeted. Aftab also requested that those who had come in his proximity in recent days should get themselves tested. I request all those who may have come in contact with me recently, please get yourself tested just to be safe. With your support and good wishes, I will recover soon and be back to normal. I can't emphasize more the need of socially be distant. Use masks and sanitizers as much as possible, he wrote. The actor recently launched his production house along with his wife Nind Dosanjh. Bollywood live wire star Ranveer Singh is in a pensive mood this Saturday. At least his new pictures would suggest as much. Ranveer's latest pictures on Instagram has the actor sporting his perfectly styled hair and a manicured beard on his dead serious face. The actor captioned the image, "Sucks Londa." Ranveer is awaiting the release of his much-hyped next Kabir Khan 83, which narrates the story of India's first-ever Cricket World Cup victory in 1983. In the film, he essays the role of Kapil Dev, who captained an underdog team to World Cup glory. His other upcoming film is Jayesh Bhai Jordar. Actor Saif Ali Khan, Rani Mukherjee, Siddhant Chaturvedi and debutant Sharpari have wrapped up shooting their upcoming film Bunty Aur Bubbly 2 with a fun song shoot. Siddhant took to Instagram to share the news. He wrote, "Wrapped up Bunty Aur Bubbly 2 with one last song. Grateful that the entire team made sure all safety measures were thoroughly implemented." The Yash Raj film production is directed by Varun V. Sharma. Bunty Aur Bubbly 2 will introduce Siddhant Chaturvedi and Sharpari into the franchisee. Actor Tiger Shroff is all set to make his debut as a singer with a song titled Unbelievable. The action star, who is also popular for his cool dance moves, took to Instagram to post the teaser of the song. Looking chic in formals, he is seen holding a mic in the teaser. "Hey guys, here's the teaser of my first song. Hope you guys like it and just want to say that #you are unbelievable," Tiger captioned the post. Unbelievable has been conceptualized during the lockdown by the actor. Actor Varun Dhawan has shared a romantic picture with his lady love Natasha Dalal. Sharing the picture on Instagram, Varun wrote, "No, I won't be afraid, just as long as you stand by me." Several celebs reacted to the picture. Actress Karisma Kapoor dropped heart emojis. Actress Moni Roy too liked the picture and dropped heart emojis. Actor Apar Shakti Khurana, Sophie Chaudhary, Nusrat Bharucha reacted with heart emojis. Varun has been in a relationship with Natasha for quite some time but kept his personal life guarded. It was only recently that he started opening up about his equation with Natasha.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.